Violent extremism conducive to terrorism remains a profound challenge to global peace and security. The rise of new tools in digital and offline spaces for spreading violent extremist ideologies has further amplified this threat, creating unprecedented opportunities for harmful narratives to take root and grow. Therefore, the United Nations General Assembly declared 12 February the International Day of the Prevention of Violent Extremism as and when conducive to terrorism. The International PVE Day brings together member states, the United Nations system, and all relevant stakeholders, including civil society, religious leaders, the private sector, academia, and the media, to strengthen the international community's resolve to address the conditions conducive to terrorism, to raise the awareness on the threat of violent extremism, and renew commitments to collaborate on preventing its spread. The observance of International PVE Day provides an opportunity for the global community to come together and explore innovative ways to transform the commitments outlined in the Pact for the Future into meaningful and concrete actions to create a safer world and lasting peace for generations to come. Terrorist groups like Al Qaeda and their affiliates continue to exploit instability and conflict to expand and intensify attacks in many parts of the world. These groups exploit conflict, fragility, poverty, weak governance, and marginalization to recruit and indoctrinate followers to narratives of grievance and actual and perceived injustice. No country is immune from the threat of terrorist attacks and impact of terrorism and violent extremism as and when conducive to terrorism. While member states and the respective national institutions have primary responsibility in countering terrorism and preventing violent extremism, as and when conducive to terrorism, intergovernmental organizations, civil society, academia, religious leaders, and media also play an important role in addressing this scourge. During the Summit of the Future, held on 22 September 2024, world leaders adopted the Pact for the Future and its annexes, the Global Digital Compact and the Declaration on Future Generations, aimed at reinvigorating multilateralism and international cooperation to address today's realities and prepare for tomorrow's challenges, representing a transformative global commitment to address the drivers of terrorism and violent extremism. Action 23 of the Pact includes a commitment to pursue a future free from terrorism, calling for measures to prevent states and address the conditions conducive to the spread of terrorism, build states' capacities to prevent and combat terrorism, promote and protect international law, respect for human rights for all, and the rule of law, implement whole of government and whole of society approaches, address the threats posed by the misuse of new and emerging technologies, and enhance coordination of the United Nations counterterrorism efforts. The eighth review of the resolution of the United Nations Global Counterterrorism Strategy reaffirmed the need for governments and international community to enhance cooperation to prevent and combat terrorism in a coordinated, inclusive, transparent, and human rights based gender responsive manner. The work of the United Nations on preventing violent extremism, the UN designs and delivers targeted capacity building initiatives to address the underlying conditions and drivers of violent extremism conducive to terrorism at the global, regional, and country levels with a focus on human rights and gender mainstreaming and on developing sustainable partnerships in support of PVE coordination. Through the Global Counterterrorism Coordination Compact, the UN supports collaboration among its entities to streamline efforts and provide cohesive support to member states in implementing the global counterterrorism strategy. The Pact for the Future builds on this foundation by operationalizing its vision through key focus areas, strengthening community engagement, and empowering local voices, particularly youth, as agents of positive change, upholding gender equality and protection of human rights as integral to PVE strategies, harnessing emerging technologies for positive change and enhancing international cooperation through the Global Counterterrorism Coordination Compact and its working group on preventing and countering violent extremism conducive to terrorism, ensuring improved information sharing and capacity building.